Good morning, children. Today we are going to study GK. So, children, take out the unknown and the new general knowledge update. Okay. So, first open the book, the unknown. The unknown. Chapter 1. Now, children, we will be doing revision of GK. Okay. Chapter 1. My personal diary. Personal diary. You write here own name. My name is. You write here own name. I am a. You are boy. So you write boy. You are girl, so you write here girl. I am a girl, I am a boy. Okay. I am 5 years old, 6 years old, you write here your age. I study in class KG. The name of my school is, your school name, Holy Christ Secondary School. You write here. You live in Dankhuni. So you write here, district Hooghly. My father's name is, you write your father's name. Okay. My mother's name is, you write here your mother's name. The best friend name is, your best friend name, you write here. Okay. Learn and song. See, I have a little nose and I have a little chin and I have a little mouth just to put my dinner in. It's short song, so learn it. I have a little nose and I have a little chin and I have a little mouth just to put my dinner in. So practice your personal diary, means my personal diary, children. Next page, my body. My body, see here, God has given me a wonderful body. Okay. God has given me a wonderful body. See, first you see here, okay, eye, see, eye, mouth, okay, hand, leg, foot, knee, fingers, nose, ear, head. Okay. See here, tongue, nose, okay, knee, leg, foot, fingers, hand, leg. Okay. Teeth, see, teeth, eye, head, hair. So practice. Here spelling also. H-A-I-R, hair, E-Y-E-I, mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, hand, H-A-N-D, hand, leg, L-E-G, leg, foot, F-O-O-T, foot, knee, K-N-E-E, knee, finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, nose, N-O-S-E, nose, ear, E-A-R, ear, head, H-E-A-D, head. So you practice. Okay. My body. Next, activity. Match the clothes to the parts of the body on which you put them on. Okay. So first A, see here, finger, gloves. Okay. See here, it's a foot, so socks. Okay. See here, trousers, see t-shirt, and its cap. Okay, head. Parts of body on which you put them. Okay, the clothes. So match the clothes. see here, right side clothes, socks, t-shirt, cap, gloves, trousers, and left side parts of the body. Okay, so match which you put them on. So matching activities. Next, chapter 3, my family. My family, everyone has a family. I have my family. My parents love me a lot. So you have a picture, paste your family picture here and write your relation with the family members. So if you have if you have a family picture, so you paste here. Okay, next, number 1, the gentleman in the picture is my, see here, gentleman. Question is the gentleman, not woman. So your father. So gentleman in the picture is my father. So your spelling, you know, F-A-T-H-E-R. Otherwise you don't know, so helping hand. See here, helping hand. For grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister. So you write here father. Okay. Number 2, the beautiful lady is mine. So you see the picture. Yes, your mom means mother is a beautiful lady. So you write here mother. Okay. Number 3, the old man is mine. See, old man, not woman. Question, first you read it properly. The old man is mine, man. So your grandfather. Okay. Number 4, grandfather spelling is here. Grandfather, G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather. Okay. Number 4, the old woman is mine. See, woman is my grandmother. So write here grandmother, G-R-A-N-D, grandmother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Next, question 5, the handsome boy is mine. See the picture. Handsome boy is my brother. Where is brother spelling? Yes. Helping hand, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Next, 6th question, fill in the blanks. The cute girl. See, the cute girl is my sister. Okay, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. So children, chapter 1, my personal diary, my body, my family. Okay, practice nicely. It's homework. Take out your school diary, write your homework, children. The unknown, chapter 1, 2, 3, pages, okay. Unknown, page 3, 4, 5, 6. Practice. Okay, the unknown. Next book, new general knowledge update. New general knowledge update, chapter 6, page 10. India's sports personalities. Okay, India's sports personalities. So sports and entertainment. Okay. This page 10, general knowledge. Chapter 6 also we will be doing division. Okay. So open this page. Identify the sports personalities given below. So do you know which sport they are related with? It's very important page. Okay, write their names in the given space using the help box. This help box is here, and encircle the correct choice. Okay. So first one is C. Sports personality, sportsman. It's Virat Kohli. Right here name Virat Kohli, and sportsman is cricket. Okay, cricket. Next, see the picture. Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand, chess. Okay. Number three. She is Sania Mirza. Okay, Sania Mirza, lawn tennis and badminton. So lawn tennis. Okay. Next four, Sania Mirza. Next four, MC Mary Kom. MC Mary Kom, boxing champion. Okay. Next five, badminton, lawn tennis. So next five, Sania Nehwal. His name is Sania Nehwal, and badminton. To take badminton. Next six sportsman, Baichung Bhutia, football players. Okay. So practice this page 10. Next page, page 11. The sky above us. The sky above us. The sky is above us. We can see many things in the sky. Yes. Name them with the help of the given hints. You may use the help box. See, children, help box is here: rainbow, stars, sun, moon. So, children, you may use the help box. So, first one, you see, read it, everyone. We are seen only at night. We cannot count us. Who are we? Again I repeat, we are seen only at night. You cannot count us. Who are we? Yes, you write stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Okay. You cannot count us. Next, number 2. I am seen mostly at night. I change myself every day. Who am I? So, again repeat. I am seen mostly at night. I change myself every day. Who am I? Yes. Moon. Moon change the shape every day. Okay, and it's moon seen mostly at night. So, who am I? Moon. Next 3. I am seen after the rain. Okay, I am made of 7 colors. Who am I? I am seen after the rain. I am made of 7 colors. 7 colors. Okay. So, who am I? Rainbow. Right here, rainbow. Rainbow. 7 colors. Made of 7 colors. So, who am I? Rainbow. 4. I am seen only in the daytime. I am big and hot. Every morning I rise in the east. Every evening I set in the west. Who am I? Again repeat. I am seen only in the daytime. Only in the daytime. Daytime I am big and hot. Every morning I rise in the east. Every evening I set in the west. Rise in the east, set in the west. Who am I? Yes, sun. S-U-N, sun. It's very important. Page 2 page also important, 6 and 7. So practice. Okay. It's very important. Now children, write your homework. New general knowledge update. Date chapter 6, 7, page 10, 11. So I hope everyone understood. So children, practice nicely. Okay.